What's going on? We got a 2017 Toyota Sienna, and I'm going to show you where your cabin filter is located. It's located behind the glove box. I kind of already have the glove box prepared to show you this, simply because the damper that belongs here is actually broke off. So, can't actually show you exactly how it works, but here's the damper that dampens when the door opens. Okay, it's actually broke off of here. All you would do, if you look at it, has a hole in it. All you have to do really is just pull it right off, and it'll let you drop the glove box down. Here's some stoppers on this side and this side here that you got to get the glove box around just by pushing it inwards, and then the glove box will come down. So you get in here, the cabin filter is located in here. It's really simple. Push this little tab inwards. Same thing with this, and the door will come right off of it. Okay, and it's labeled up. There's your filter here, and you just pull it right out. Easy peasy. Get your new one and stick it back in here. This one's really not too bad, so I won't be replacing it right now. I'll leave a link in the description box for a new one for you. Get your new one. You put it in the correct way. In the glove box here, put it back. All you got to do is close it, and the damper here would normally just connect right there. But that's it.